Okay, this is the second episode of Carter's Fun Tornadoes. What you'll need is a Starbucks store cup, like from Starbucks. You just need it clear, and you need a colored lid. Whichever color it is, the color it's gonna be, the tornado's gonna be. So what you do, and some water. Okay. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pour this, all the water in there right here. Tighten it a lot. You should get a very good tornado. See you next time on the next episode of Carter's Fun Tornadoes.